Igbo Chineke nna maka machoizi mma pụrụ iche ekenekwa m unu biko na mana anyị na-ekwu okwu insecurity na ana Igbo anyị ụfọdụ a na-asị gị na magodo nnụ amaghị m ihe na-eme anyị na-ekwu okwu ala gị ọ na-efe ndebe anyị efe na ntị eweta m vidio I'll keep saying this thing because I don't know what is difficult ndebe anyị ghọta ihe m na-ekwu eweta m vidio si ndị mmadụ biko n'ododo na-ene ihe ndị anụnwa mere na ha kpọ mmadụ 4 jeje register their organization database in our East. That organization is not helping our people. Not helping the buy. Is that their union, they are going to plant it in our nearby, cover their establishment. I'm a borrow organization but individual, just like Imepe Okeke and Sons individual. Man, this has to do with their religion. Their religion. You have their religion. I know queer like this. For the same now, what do you mean? No, whether it can be uprooted when it comes to religion. On the house, and we see na had the ruggedity and how you woman care. Kata me halfway hamelgi he boogie bubu sene Baliana Mohammed in order to create chaos. I have seen firsthand because of their religion. That is why I am kicking against it. I'm not against them registering business as individual. We can business you register. Man, when it comes to registering your religion in a religion that does not belong to you, I am against it because operating here and how make them will mad for we made the shorty. Okay, mala only na put on a hand one new over. The by na makone kiki against it. Na scream market on wale here na for dear. Fonde na mara agree here can go potalion. Tinubu is urging Plateau State. Plateau State, Imala Plateau State of Majos Abore Muslim state. Jos on their own has over 10 languages. Hanaso Nabeha. They have over 10 languages. Man, Hausa with their general language haja communicate within themselves. Hausa with the general language haji are communicating within themselves. Then however beginning we will also we na parallel within themselves. Na can for the Tinubu say include Hausa Fulani in your cabinet. They are among Plateau indigenous communities. Give them meaningful positions. Give them meaningful positions. The last Ogo Anulo na Jos Mbenkano na Jos that can go the memory still lives and be with I can still tell you the details of Ihe local government chairman election azolazo for Jos North. Azole azo. All in form of Ibiana ni Igbo Aiketa. Somebody na achieve local government on the Oka. For the example, na Lagos, somebody na achieve local government in the mainland. Local government chairman in the mainland. Or local government in the island. That is how it is. That election we use underage voters who will go vote. Large numbers more than ndị nwe obodo. Because ndị nwe obodo na-akpa agwa ka ndị Yoruba, na-akpa agwa ka ndị South Africa. Ụtụtụ ụmụ nwoke ha nọ n'ọdụ nkwụ. Ụmụ nwaanyị ha na-ama tipa, ama 911 eje ahụ zụrụ achụ ego. Big respect to some of them na hustle enwe ndị ha na-agba mbọ mana ọka heavily na ụmụ nwaanyị ha dị so dogged and so hard working. Ọgụ mgbe ebido iri agụ election ekwesịghị good election na state secretariat ndị a wee bulu the election wee gawa ebe a na-akpọ Gadabiu oso ụdụkọ Gadabia can really remember that before na-etete n'ụtụtụ ndị Hausa agba n'obodo round bido mụmụ ihe ọkụ damage be here. When damage was a Hasaya Nachiaz, Kamali Hayamena for the election. Buhana Nazi, they started damaging things. One damage could and damage will level a lot of them. The same thing can you kuna nearby. Do not give these people open space. In Hakina Haya Zobegazo. Ekulumioku. Ise register na osokwe anyabolo akukwede. Nabolo akukunele. Nabolo pam tree. Also, register now. When it comes to religion, let them register their business. I am not against it. Man, after when I say na masala chinkede banwe organization, na actually register. Foul. they should uproot it and go and build it in their location. Government in Ebalahanya design a designated place 100 years renting, renewal after 100 years. Amal anything made within 100 years, before 100 years, that they can be uprooted at any time. Kita yego president na send obodo say they ba Fulani ha Muslim Fulani Hausa Fulani in their cabinet. Just like you put Anambra State now, you say Anambra State Governor Soludo, Vice Onyodotua, House of Speaker representative of House Anambra Obolonya Hausa. Do you know what these people are trying to do? Now, Obo in Afi and Asike number than a scream, he has security number. Because a lot of people we could go see security now. All this number or send their message. Or you send their message. Mala that in Ihobo nature discourse here is about security of Ali Boy. You ought to go. So Nenezia no the complete video 19 okay. Nekumaka security of life and properties na nearby and what that number implies. So you know here tila yana comment section. Ihobo nature dioko called the one.
A very, very quick one. I'm very happy that Nani Ndibo, Okachase Ndi Obodo Igbo, they are happy with the Central Security both in the southeast and local government and the states I want in the southeast. Nani Ndibo, they are very, very happy. At least they receive only 1 or 2, 3 calls. You know, those who are very, very eager to come into this project. It is a project for all of us. All project are in Inegebu. And me Queen Bobla Nekushike. And I will keep saying it. Our government fail guy. Our government fail guy. As far as security is concerned. Let me tell our people the truth. Is local. Security is local. From our families, communities, villages, chekwawa onwani nwanne anyaga hanu piam with security in our domain anyaga hanu. So I want to thank our brothers and sisters in Obodo Igbo, and that is why one of the resolutions we had work in a WhatsApp group ebu munani in Obodo Igbo ga join in here this security project. This security project. Umunai ni ile n'obodo Igbo ndị interested. Ni iwu onye Enugu, ni iwu onye Abia, ni iwu onye Imo, iwu onye Ebonyi, iwu onye Anambra. As far as iwu onye Igbo in obodo Igbo, this WhatsApp group is for you. My number nonga, that is the only number you are going to send your message. Ahage lekwe bi shine megene na chat anya add again at the group. Chat me up, I add again at the group. You know, this is for the Southeast Central Security. Southeast. One day, nobody will do it for us. We will do it ourselves. Do this Central Security. One gadget. One gadget. Imo Enugu Anambra Ebonyi one gadget. So that we can use it to radio other parts of our life in case someone goes here maybe. Onye ba see the kwe hemege here now. Onye ka bo see the kwe hemege here now. I went in southeast. I be able to tell na case state level. From state level, anya local government. They can say local government now. From local government now, anya banyezi na communities. I ba chiali Igbo. Oga heshimini. Ihem na gwago bejoku. So munna nyi ndeno obodo Igbo who are willing to join this project, because my number is there. Chat me up. Chat me up. Eba ka iga no plan o ihe niile. Mana ba ishi eme this Central Security ko shiike ko happy ihe mmiri. Ma nye ne hie onwe onye ga-emere anyị ya. Ekwuchakwa m. Ndewono.